To sell Solana using a Phantom wallet, you'll need to have an account and a separate exchange account, such as Coinbase or Binance. As Phantom Wallet doesn't directly support selling Solana, you'll need to send your Solana from Phantom Wallet to your exchange account, where you can then exchange it for your local currency. The process begins by opening your Phantom Wallet, clicking on Send, and selecting Solana. You'll need to enter the recipient's Solana address and the amount you want to send. To get the recipient's address, go to your exchange account, click on Receive Crypto, select Solana, and you'll be provided with an address. Return to Phantom Wallet, select the amount of Solana you want to send, paste the address you received, and click Next to continue with the transaction. Once confirmed, it may take a few minutes for the Solana to be sent to your exchange account. After the transfer is complete, you can convert your Solana to your local currency or a stablecoin like USDT on the exchange. This process allows you to successfully sell your Solana for your desired currency.